Chowan County, southeastern Hertford County, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a tornado on the ground. Miles south of Ryland and moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Coleraine around 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Harrelsville around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Powellsville around 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cofield and Dahomsky around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Winton around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Goose Pond, Newsome Store, Trap, Brantley's Grove, Proctor's Corner, Oakvilla, Union, and Poortown. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay. Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for north central Chowan County, southeastern Gates County, east central Hertford County, northwestern Pasquotank County, western Perquimans County, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Chappanuck, or near Windfall, and moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Belvedere around 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pottsville around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Smithson, Whittiston, Nicanor, Peach, Hickory Crossroads, Glyden, Sandy Cross, Trouttville, and Acorn Hill. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tropical storm warning